Hi, my name's Paul. I train Rocky Mountain horses, and I've had my share of accidents on the farm. One of my recent accidents left me without a tooth. Of course, that's pretty embarrassing, so I tried to smile without showing my missing tooth. The truth is, I had several teeth that were failing, and I just wanted my smile back. I came to Justice Dental because everyone had told me they were the best, and they had the entire team of experts here at one facility.
Hi, it's Dr. Justice and Dr. Thompson here at Justice Dental, and we're talking about Paul today. And you heard Paul's story. You know that he is really debilitated in his upper teeth and pretty much knew he was going to lose his teeth. The beautiful thing is, in our office we are able to do a CT scan, and that CT scan will give us a three-dimensional picture of actually the treatment he needs, and in his case, removing the bad teeth, placing 6 implants, and being able to perform a hybrid, beautiful hybrid denture that actually screws into those implants, so it's something that doesn't come in and out.
You know, the great thing about Paul in our office is that we can actually place the implants and the denture the same day, whereas we have a team of experts with Dr. Justice, who's highly accredited at the Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, myself, who's accredited with the Academy of Implant Dentistry, and our own lab techs on hand to help with these cases. We can truly provide you a beautiful, long-lasting set of hybrid denture teeth that are supported by implants.
And they don't come in or out.
The Justice Dental one-day approach is helping people achieve a beautiful and healthy smile for people with missing or failing teeth. Schedule your free consultation today, and we can even help you with financing options.
Talk about a confidence booster. This is amazing. I cannot stop smiling.